Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an amazing AI tool called BeatViz AI, a powerful music video generator that lets you turn your songs into stunning videos in just a few clicks. If you've ever wanted to create professional-looking music videos without editing skills, this tool is going to make your life super easy. So, let's get started. First, click on the link in the description and create your account. Once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard where you'll see multiple options. Here, we have two main modes, Simple Mode and Custom Mode. Let's start with the Simple Mode. In Simple Mode, everything is very easy to use. You just need to describe the type of music video you want to create. After that, upload your music file or simply paste a music link. I'm going to upload a sample track here.
This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man.
Next, you need to choose the content style. You can select from storytelling, singing, dancing, abstract. Let's start with the singing mode. After that, choose the processing mode like standard or fast, then select your video quality like 1080p and aspect ratio. Now, click on Generate. The AI will start processing your video. Just wait for a few seconds. After that, you'll see 3 different creative directions generated by AI. These are basically different styles for your video. You can preview and pick the one you like the most. Once you select your favorite, the AI will start generating visual prompts and building your music video timeline. When everything is ready, click on Generate All Video Segments. After that, click on Confirm and Compose Video to create the final video.
This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please.
And boom, your music video is ready. You can preview it and download it in full HD quality. Super easy, right? Now, let's try another example using the same song but with a different style. This time, I'll choose the dancing mode. Again, click on Generate. The AI will repeat the same process, showing you 3 creative directions. Pick one, confirm it, and let the AI build your video timeline. Then click on Compose, and your final video will be ready.
This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please.
As you can see, this time we got a completely different style, a dancing music video. This shows how powerful and flexible BeatViz AI is. You can create music videos, dancing videos, story-based videos, abstract visuals, all in just a few minutes. Now, let's quickly talk about the custom mode. If you want more control, you can switch to custom mode. Here you can set your project name, upload music, customize more settings. The process is similar, but you get more flexibility and control over your video. So, definitely give it a try. You'll find the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.